Hi, I'm Kurt Williams with Anritsu, and I'm Business Development Manager for Wireless Manufacturing Test. Today we're showcasing our MT8870 and MS2830. And up here on the monitor, what we're showing is how we have different test platforms to address the entire design cycle. So if you're building hardware with wireless capability, starting from leading R&D to design verification out to mass production, we provide instruments to address all the test capabilities required along this design cycle. And we have this one platform for manufacturing and DVT, which is the MT8870A. And the new capability we're showing today is being able to test small cell. And so the small cell market is predicted to grow rapidly over the next several years to make up for lack of spectrum and increased demand for mobile data. And so we're showing small cell test capability on this Intel small cell reference design. And this is a LTE small cell reference design from doing FDD. And so you can see some of the measurements on this screen for the 2830. And then we also have the signal split out to this PC where we're looking at the measurements from the 8870. And what's unique for us with the 8870 is that we're addressing many different wireless communication standards in one platform. So you can see here we're kind of addressing cellular UEs, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular connectivity, and GPS, and now also base station test or small cell test. So we have this one platform that can address all of these technologies rather than building separate dedicated instruments for these various technologies, so that people can reduce time to market and reduce cost of test by standardizing on one platform.